Good afternoon. Here in this web right now, we can analyze on Thursday, the 1st of May, what is the consumption of energy in Spain in the system. The structure of generation is explained in this circle. And as you can see right now, the solar energy is providing 37% of the energy to the system. The green one is the wind generation, is giving 10% right now, and other sources that they are giving solar thermic energy, thermic renewable, and hydraulic is giving 10%, and nuclear 6%, and with ciclo combinado is the gas and other sources. Burning gas is giving almost 20% of the energy. As well, to explain, in the upper part we have turbinación bombeo is giving right now 2% of the energy, and out of the system right now is consumption of pumping energy, and we have here Portugal importation. So right now Portugal is giving to Spain almost 1% of the energy. This is France. The export to France is not giving any energy right now, and this is Morocco, is not giving any energy right now. So once we explain this, we have in the upper part we have the lines, the color lines, yellow, green, red, and black. The red one is the program, the tension that is programmed for the system. And the green one is the one that supposedly is going to happen, the one that is prevista, and the real one is the yellow one. So the yellow one is the one that is giving the actual demand on energy. So is the actual consumption of the system. So once we explain this is in the real time, we go to explain other important information and what happened in Spain in that date of the Monday at 12:33. The system was stopped, was knocked down, or we don't know what happened to it, but exactly the system, it have a failure, and the energy was a drop of energy, as you can see here. The demand of the energy is totally like a blackout, is totally go down, and it went down around 12,000 megawatts per hour, because it maintained 14,000 megawatts, but in reality the system was totally shut down. And so we need to explain in that day, at that moment, the solar energy was giving solar energy, the orange, the light blue, and the green were giving more than half of the energy at that moment. This energy that was given in this moment, it had it's not easy to regulate. In the what is the meaning of this? Each line going up and down means that the tension in the distribution system is suddenly is more tension, and suddenly is less tension. Suddenly is more, and then suddenly is less. This is because of the shutdown of solar photovoltaic plants, or the connection of solar photovoltaic plants, and or as well wind energy generator plants that are going into the system or that are shut down into the system. And this provokes these movements like up and down. This means because the solar energy and the wind energy, it's very complicated to regulate them. And so if you have a consumption of energy and production of energy, pues it's not easy to set in one point and have a line, as you can see. Meanwhile, nuclear energy is in Spain there are 8 central nuclear energy power plants, so it's quite easy to regulate and to because once you start these energies, they are simply giving energy to the system, and supposedly pues, you have like a base energy with them, and then you can use the green energies with to regulate. So what happened that day? As you can see, the minutes previous to the drop of the energy, there was a big fluctuation of energy, and then suddenly here you see it is a peak of tension in the system of 1.8 gigabytes, and then this makes the system to disconnect. Why? Because the system needs to be protected from high tensions, and the same thing that happens in your house. If you have a differential, when the tension goes higher than is expected, the differential goes down, and then this is saving you for being burned. Your system, your washing machine, your electrical appliances are safe because of the shutdown of the differential. So in this distribution system happens the same. Suddenly there is a peak of 1.8 gigabytes. That is more extra energy that is in the system, and the system needs to stop that energy, and then it works well because it's shut down, and then provokes this failure and going down. But at the same time as well, it protects the system from other thing to happen, as you can see. So this is the explanation that I wanted to give you about what happened. Exactly, we don't know who caused this to happen, but this is a technical explanation of why the system suffered a failure of energy. Thank you very much.